Health is your responsibility. Creating health is about revitalizing your body, mind, emotions and life energies to a higher level of function. Health is not a medical prescription or a diagnosis. Health is the nature of life. If you keep your life energies really exuberant, you shall be healthy. There is a way to wrap every cell in your body with another aspect of energy which we refer to as ojas. If you generate sufficient ojas to wrap every cell in your body with this, well, you will not only be healthy, you will be bouncing healthy and, well, it could greatly reverse the aging process which we have in many ways documented through various scientific research and medical universities recording this. There is enough evidence about this, but above all, well, I'm the living proof that health is not something that you worry about, health is not some kind of diagnostics for you that you are healthy. It is a way of keeping life in an overflowing sense of exuberance. May you know health, because if there is no physical health or mental health, then life will be just about health. If you're healthy, your life could be about many things. But if you're not healthy, life becomes just about health. That is not a good way to live. That your life is all about being healthy, that's not good. Health should happen as a consequence of making these life energies buoyant. This is something every human being can do with a little bit of attention. It's my blessing. May you be not just healthy, but know the wholeness of life.